How to get your house's picture off Google Maps. Good day, everybody. I am Connor with Honor. This isn't going to be a regular real estate broadcast that I typically do. You can find the rest of this blog post and information at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. Longtime first responder turned real estate agent, Los Angeles Police Department. So I did have my time on patrol in other fields. But within the police department, we took a lot of crime reports, of course. And that's where I get my information knowledge, plus having worked with some detectives and so on throughout those years. Google Maps, Google the online photographs of your property. Within real estate, the agent going through and taking pictures. You're a very happy buyer, just happy to be buying something. You buy the house, and then online, everything's everywhere. You got your bedroom's photographs there. You got your kitchen. You got the house's layout. You got where the exterior doors are. You got your neighbor stuff going on. You got all that. A lot of those photographs online, they can be taken down from the online systems, but as part of that process, there are certain agreements that take place where the sellers are agreeing to have the pictures posted online. You as the buyer didn't agree to it, but part of your process is you'll sign some document, some disclosure that talks about your agreeing that the photographs of your house are going to be online. But great. So all that's done. You bought a house. Now you want to get those taken down from online. The real estate syndication systems are out there, and they have a lot of those photographs. The agent's website specifically is going to have, well, they used to. A lot of agents don't even have their own website anymore, like SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. Selfish plug. But again, they don't have their own websites. I'll have my photographs up there of listings that I put together, any of the things I put up there, because it gives them extra traffic for my sellers out there, because the high priority website domain name and all. But again, you can have those removed. All it takes is you reaching out to the agent that you use to purchase the residence and saying, hey, can you help me do this? They should be able to walk you through it. But let's talk about the big one. Let's talk about Google Maps, removing your image from there. So what I did is I put together a video, but it's very, very simple. All you have to do is you go to Google Maps, and when you get there, you're going to click on, of course, Google Maps. You're there. You're going to punch in your address. And what I did is I just chose an address out of any just to get an idea. But once you punch in the address, you're going to see the photograph of the residence, your house. Once you see the photograph, you want to click on the picture in the upper left-hand corner of what you're looking at. I'm going to jump along right now here. And you're going to want to click on the house. Once you do that, you're going to see in the bottom right-hand corner, so you're going to see a big picture of the residence there. In the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see report a problem. Once you click on it, it's going to say report inappropriate street view on Google Maps. When you do that, you're going to see the street view, your address, image preview. It's going to adjust the view of the image so it's focused on the part of the image you're reporting, and here you want it removed from there. So you're going to basically kind of leave it, and then you're going to go down and what would you like us to blur, and then you're going to choose a face, my home, a vehicle, a license plate, or a different object, and there you go. You're going to choose your house. What's wrong with the image? Again, you can check misplaced image, misaligned navigation arrows, overall poor image quality. But again, really, that's probably not going to make as much of a difference because you want the house actually blurred. So it's not applicable. You're going to punch in your email address. You're going to hit the reCAPTCHA, the verification where it says you're not a robot. You're going to hit submit. Then you're going to give it a few weeks. Usually they're pretty quick on this, but they also might request, Google might request additional information from you. But that's really how you do it. It's very simple. As far as the other online photos, you're a brand new buyer. You have all this stuff about your residence posted online. And yeah, you might not want the whole entire world to see it anymore. And usually people, when they just meet somebody, a lot of times they'll be real quick to Google them and find out, where they live and this. It just makes it that much more difficult for them to kind of see where you are in the world. And I know there's so much information being traded online every single day. We're being listened to by every single device we have, but maybe this is some way to slow somebody down that might be trying to take advantage of you unfairly. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching. That's how you remove your online photographs from real estate and also Google. Good place to start. Be well. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.